Today I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub Copilot Space. This feature allows you to set up a dedicated workspace where you can interact with GitHub Copilot in a more organized and customized way, making it perfect for managing different projects or contexts. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to github.com/copilot/spaces. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your GitHub credentials. Make sure you have access to GitHub Copilot, as this feature requires an active subscription. After entering your login details, you'll be taken to the Copilot Spaces interface. Now look over to the right panel of your screen. You'll see a button that says Create Space. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can begin setting up your custom workspace. The interface is clean and straightforward, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding what you need. In the field that appears, type in a name for your space. Choose something descriptive that reflects what you'll be using this space for, whether it's a specific project, a client, or a particular type of development work. Once you've entered your space name, click the Create Space button to confirm your new space will be generated almost instantly. Next, you'll want to customize how your space operates. Click on Instructions. This is where you can tell GitHub Copilot how you want it to behave within this specific space. Type your instruction into the field. For example, you might specify the coding style you prefer, the types of suggestions you want, or any particular guidelines you'd like Copilot to follow. Once you've typed your instruction, click Save to apply it. Here's where it gets really useful. You can also add sources to your space to give Copilot more context. Click on the plus Add Sources button. You'll see several options appear, including Add Repository, Add File from Repository, Upload File, and Add Text Content. These options allow you to connect relevant code, documentation, or information directly to your space, making Copilot's suggestions more accurate and tailored to your needs. Finally, there's a text field where you can add a short description. This is your chance to explain the purpose of your space in just a few words. Type a brief summary that clarifies what this space is for and what kind of work you'll be doing in it. Once you've added your description, click Send Now to finalize everything. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized your GitHub Copilot space. This workspace is now ready to help you with your development tasks in a way that's specifically tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.